What I have seen in my time in this industry is the need for repetitive training, but training that can be done on a budget.
As everyone knows that things have changed so much in the world today, it's really hard for manufacturing companies or OEMs or anyone in this space to find skilled labor.
With the turnover rates that we're hearing about in the industry, and we have a lot of customers struggling with turnover, they'll hire somebody, get them trained up, and in a month they're gone. And so that kind of revolving door of trained and untrained folks, we've been hearing a lot about it. And so it necessitates a little bit different approach.
Getting people trained up so that they can operate the machine effectively, be productive, and then meet their machine uptime and production goals. That's something that's so important.
One of our core values here at CMD is to deliver customer success. And when talking with our customers, they really identified a need for an enhanced training program and different modules to test out their skills and allow for certifications to really make them successful.
Have a program that's not just in person, but it could be videos.
They say a picture's worth 1,000 words, and in this industry that's as true as it is anywhere else. And you could easily extrapolate that to say a video is worth 1,000 pictures. The amount of complexity that the video can convey and the accuracy in which it conveys it eliminates so much of that interpretation that it becomes immensely easier to communicate a complex procedure in a limited amount of time.
This training program is not just a subscription to some online content. It's a lot more than that. It is a training program to help you and your company grow and get your operators online and to answer some of those tough questions and to really be a venue of service for you and your equipment and your company. We are going to be offering unique and custom training that you can order from us, that if you have a pain point or something that you really need, reach out, let us know.
Our manuals are already full of helpful information. But for example, if you're doing a kick roll calibration, for me it's much easier to have the video and watch somebody go through it step by step so that you can kind of replicate that, as opposed to doing something and then coming back and reading the manual, and then doing something and then coming back and reading the manual. Whenever you have the video there, you get almost instant feedback whether you did something correctly or not.
Proper training is key to making good product. It eliminates waste, it helps communication, and I really feel that this program can help our partners be more efficient and more successful.
Seems to be pretty apropos to the time we're living in right now. Everything is from an iPad, from your laptop, however you consume digital media. And you have the first generation that grew up on iPads, that grew up with iPhones, that did school remotely. It's something that they're used to, it's something they want, they respond to it, you get results out of it, and that's what the customers want, results.
At CMD, we believe in making it better together. Our purpose is simple: collaboration that drives customer success every single day. With fresh, hands-on digital training, we're reimagining how people learn. Together, we're making a difference. One team, working smarter today for a brighter tomorrow.